So we are at the new MSI facility in Duncan headquarters. So total square footage is around 24,000 square foot. Currently we have the labs constructed, all the offices, new showroom, new training room, repair facility. So let's give you a tour. So this is going to be the machine shop area right here. So we'll have a full machine shop for gauge modifications, custom fixturing. Enter in right here, this is the repair department. So improvement is we have a lot more space than we currently do now. So this gives us more opportunity to hire new technicians, more storage, more shelf space, opens everything up to more business.